how to download MX Player on Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the MX Player app on a mobile device. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on an Android device or App Store on an iOS device. Tap on the source icon at the bottom, then tap on the source bar. Type in MX Player and search for it. Tap on the install button. The MX Player app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, you can now use the MX Player app on a mobile device. Simply tap the open button, give all the necessary permissions. After that, you will be all set to enjoy watching or listening to content on MX Player. And there you have it, you have successfully learned how to download and install the MX Player app on a mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.